Today we decided to go back to that beach club, again to watch the sunset, but this time to have dinner. I was flying the drone and I only saw this when I was looking back at the footage, but tell me if you can spot something here. Nope, maybe if I zoom in. What? Surely not. Are there sharks in El Nido, Philippines? Today we decided to check out a different beach. Heard this one's known for the sunsets, and yeah, straight away this might be my favourite so far. There's definitely more people here than Napcan, but the water here is unreal. I was basically just in the sea the whole time. Also, tried to actually sit in the sun for once today. I think I'm finally used to the heat now. Probably not true though. After the swimming, we went to grab some food and catch the sunset at Las Cabanas beach. And yeah, the vibes there were so good. Beachfront, DJ playing, just a really nice atmosphere. I ordered a chicken quesadilla, but completely forgot to film it. I was starving. Had a beer, watched the sunset, and yeah, that was kind of all I needed. Also, slightly random one, ended up going to a tattoo shop. Wasn't exactly planned, just kind of happened. Decided to get something on my neck, which, yeah, I know, bold choice. Ma? Papa? I know you're probably losing your marbles right now, and you'll probably see this before I properly get to explain it, but it does actually mean something. I didn't just completely lose my head. I'll let you try figure it out in the comments. Due to last night's antics, we have to take it easy to protect the tattoo. We started off with a grocery trip run, but I don't think my girlfriend enjoyed my fast riding. Later, we were getting ready so we could go out for dinner. Thought we looked pretty good to be fair. Quick outfit check, both feeling ourselves a bit. Jump on the bike, helmets on, off we go. Headed into El Nido town, found this random Thai food truck. I was a bit unsure at first, didn't look like much. But yeah, food came out and it was unreal. Probably the best I've had so far. Absolutely demolished it. After that, we went out for drinks at a rooftop bar. Couldn't really see much, bit too dark. Got a pina colada though, which is my go-to. And yeah, again, it did not disappoint. It's the next day and we ended up at the rooftop bar again. This time we got there early so that we could actually see the view. Same drink again, no complaints. Went out for pizza in the evening, heard about this restaurant, and apparently they do pretty decent pizzas. It started off normal. So I don't think you guys understand what the heck we had to go through. Waiting for our food, and we noticed the table next to us turn around and look in our direction. All of a sudden, I look in front, and in the corner I see the biggest rat. Honestly, it must have been like half a metre long, just staring over at us. It jumped out and started running around where we were. So yeah, I bugged out hard. Luckily there was a spare table in the middle of the restaurant, so we moved there and the pizzas came and we ate, and the pizzas were lovely, but we were always under a little bit of stress knowing that there was a rat nearby. Tourists are wasting money on coconuts, which doesn't really make sense because they're free. You just have to collect them. You see, this is already more efficient. Technique is more important than strength. I'm pacing myself. Descent is all part of the process. Height is the main variable here. Maybe I'll just get one from the ground. Still more efficient.